3, 2, 1, green flag. Up on the wall, we got action down the back stretch. Red flag, red flag. Red flag drivers, red flag. Red flag. Woo. Red flag. Hit the brakes. That's the fat pedal in the middle. Fat pedal in the middle. If that ain't working, pull the handle. All right. Well, to give you an update, we started this heat off. Everybody barreled into turn 1. Somehow this noisy little critter right here came out in front. Keeping my eyes on him. We're gonna move him back where he was when the red flag initially dropped. He was a little excited, so we're gonna move him back a little. He gets excited. He was a little throttle happy, but we'll move him right back to where he was. Going to give a couple of our drivers a chance to bail to safety. Number 22 is flying around the track. Ain't no keeping him back. Whoa, up on 2 wheels, number 28, like Dukes of Hazzard. To go for our leader. 22 flying around the track tonight. Uh-oh, he's getting a little slow. Hope he didn't run out of go-go juice. 55, taking a win right at the end. You want to talk about some hard luck.